Hi everyone, let us study about different types of doctors. There are various types of doctors and there is a specific name for them. This is a kind of a vocabulary video for you and also a general knowledge video. Let's get started. Our first type is allergist, or you can call them immunologist. They treat your allergy problems. For example, some food allergy, eczema, asthma, or if you get some allergy from insect sting. These are the type of doctors you should look for. Then comes anesthesiologist. These doctors, they give you drugs, anesthesia, and also monitor your vital signs. Then comes cardiologist. Cardio word, whenever you see the word cardio, it will definitely relate it to your heart. Alright, so cardiologists are the doctors of heart and blood vessels. Colon and rectal surgeons. These surgeons, these doctors, they treat your small intestine problems, colon cancer, inflammatory bowel diseases, and all such problems. Then comes dermatologist. Like the word cardio is for heart, derma is for skin. Whenever you see the word derma, it is definitely related to your skin. The dermatologists are the doctors who treat problems related to skin, hair, and nails. Then comes endocrinologist. These doctors, they treat your hormonal imbalance and metabolism. If you have diabetes, thyroid, infertility, calcium, bone, pituitary gland, ovaries, any problem related to these, you need to see an endocrinologist. Pituitary gland, let me tell you about it. It is the gland which is responsible for your height. This gland is located somewhere around your brain, and this is the gland which determines your height. Then comes gastroenterologist. These doctors, they treat digestive organs. For example, stomach, pancreas, liver, gallbladder, all these. If you have abdominal pain, diarrhea, jaundice, these are the doctors you need to see. Then comes geriatric medicine specialist. These doctors, they care for the elderly people. That means the older people. Hematologist. These doctors are related with the problems related to blood, spleen, lymph glands, anemia, leukemia, hemophilia. All these type of problems are treated by hematologist. Infectious disease specialist. If you have any problem in your body which is related to some kind of infection, you need to see the appropriate infectious disease specialist. For example, pneumonia, tuberculosis, HIV, AIDS. HIV is the human immunodeficiency virus which causes the disease AIDS. Nephrologist. Nephro is the word related to nephrons, which is further connected with kidneys. So if you have any problem related to your kidney diseases, kidney stones, hypertension, blood pressure, or all these imbalances, you need to see a nephrologist. Neurologist. Neuro word is connected with your nervous system, neurons. So if you have any problem in your nervous system, neurons, brain, spinal cord, Alzheimer. Alzheimer is a disease in which the person cannot retain information. He tends to forget things. He cannot retain anything in his mind for so long. So all these type of problems are treated by a neurologist. Then comes gynecologist and obstetricians. Although these terms are used as synonyms sometimes, but there is difference between the two. Gynecologists are the doctors who are responsible for women, who are related to women health. They treat women reproductive health. Also, pelvic exams, pap smear test. Pap smear test, let me tell you, it's a test which examines for any kind of cancerous cells present in your cervix. And obstetricians, these doctors, they are specifically for pregnant women. Oncologists, these doctors are cancer specialists. They also perform chemotherapy. Next comes ophthalmologist. These are eye doctors, these are also medical doctors. All right, these doctors can prescribe you contact lenses, glasses, and they can even operate your eyes. Next comes osteopaths. These are very experienced doctors, fully licensed medical doctors. They have a whole body approach. That means if you have problem in any body part of yours, you can go to them. They also use latest technology and also rely on body's ability to heal itself. Then comes optometrists. These are also eye doctors, but not medical doctors. Like ophthalmologists, these doctors cannot operate eyes. They can only examine your eyes. Then comes otolaryngologist. These are doctors whom we call ENT specialists. Ears, nose, throat, sinus, head, neck. Problems related to these are cured by the ENT specialist. These are also medical doctors. Pathologist, these are the lab doctors. Whenever your doctor prescribes you some lab test, these are the doctors you go to for your test. So pathologists are the lab doctors. They identify the cause of your disease, also examine your body tissues and fluids. Then comes pediatricians. These are the doctors for children. They treat children from birth to adulthood. There are subcategories of pediatricians. Some doctors are for preteens, teens, and these doctors also cure child abuse. Children development related issues are also tackled by pediatricians. Physiatrics. These doctors, they give you physical medicine, rehabilitation. If you have some neck and back pain, these are the type of doctors you refer to. Plastic surgeon, or you can call cosmetic surgeon, they can repair your skin, breast, face, hands, or any part of your body, even the entire body itself. Plastic surgeons, people go for plastic surgery due to either accident or for cosmetic reasons. Then comes podiatrist. These are the doctors for your feet or ankle. If you have any problem in your feet, ankle due to, you might say, diabetes or injury from sports or from accident, podiatrists are the doctors you refer to. Psychiatrist is a doctor who is related to your mind, who cures your mental problems. If you have depression, addictive disorders, anxiety disorders, or even your sexual identity issues, all these issues are treated by a psychiatrist. Psychologist. These are also the doctors who treat with your mental processes or mental behavior. But they observe you. They only have talk therapy. They cannot prescribe you medicines. However, a psychiatrist can prescribe you medicine, but a psychologist cannot. He only can do talk therapy with you. He just observes your actions and further determines the problem with you. They studies your mental process and your behavior. Then comes pulmonologist. These are the doctors for lung cancer, pneumonia, asthma, or if you have trouble sleeping due to some breathing issues, these are the type of doctors you refer to. Radiologist, these doctors, they do X-ray, ultrasound, or radiation oncology, all these types of things which involve some kind of, looking into your body, X-ray or ultrasound, all these are performed by the radiologist. Urologist, these doctors, they treat your urinary tract or male infertility and also perform prostate exams. Audiologist, as the name suggests, these doctors take your hearing abilities. If you are unable to hear or if you have any problem in your ear, audiologists are the doctors you go to. Moving on, dentist. Dentist, we all know these are the doctors who treat your oral health. Then comes veterinarian, or we can call vet. These are the doctors for animals. They diagnose tissues in animals. Then comes cardiothoracic surgeon. Again, the word cardio. Cardio, the word suggests heart. So, diseases or surgeries related to heart, lungs, esophagus, or chest organs. All these are undertaken by these surgeons. These were the major types of doctors we commonly visit to or are commonly seen by us. If you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe my channel. Also, if you want some questions or some notes based on the video, quizzes based on the video, and on other static GK topics and also English, you can join our Telegram channel. The link is below in the description box. Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.